Greetings, I'm Rob Boguski, President of Daytest in Fremont, California, and a current member of the SMTA Global Board of Directors, where I serve as Vice President of Membership. Today's term is Six Sigma. This term comes from statistics, specifically statistical process control, and was developed by Motorola in the 1980s and made famous by GE CEO Jack Welch in the 80s and the 90s. Six Sigma refers to the ability of a manufacturing process to produce a high amount of product within specification. It assumes there are 6 standard deviations, each denoted by the Greek letter sigma, bracketing symmetrically the mean out to the specification limit, at what is often referred to as a normalized process. Statisticians say that processes operating at a Six Sigma quality level produce defect levels below 3.4 defects per million opportunities, or DPMO. That's a lot of good stuff and a commendable process. And if it's your process, you can go to the head of the class. ICT, or in-circuit testing, is an automated method of testing assembled printed circuit boards, usually in high volume, by applying selected current controlled by a unique test program to both analog and digital devices on a PCBA. ICT measures output voltage, component values, proper placement, and workmanship, automatically screening the board for shorts and opens, and providing the results in the form of a printout to the end user. It is often enhanced by methods such as I2C and JTAG boundary scan, and can operate in both powered as well as unpowered modes. ICT offers a first line of screening, or defense if you will, off the production line, and good results will be reflected in subsequent functional test yields. ICT is expensive to implement, admittedly, which is why it is optimally used in higher volume manufacturing. Worth considering just the same. Thank you.
Keep an eye out for future episodes of SMT terms and definitions, and be sure to visit smta.org's training page for valuable training content on numerous subjects. We'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.